Bbloxx is a unique masonry wall system designed to offer a faster, easier, and more efficient construction process compared to traditional block and mortar methods. It's particularly popular for projects like outdoor kitchens, fireplaces, sheds, and precision engineering. Bbloxx are manufactured to precise dimensions, ensuring a level and plumb wall without the need for excessive mortar. Quick and easy installation. The blocks are assembled using masonry adhesive, eliminating the need for traditional mortar mixing and application. This significantly speeds up construction time. Energy efficiency. The thick, insulated walls provide excellent thermal performance, helping to reduce energy consumption and improve indoor comfort. Soundproofing. The dense concrete construction helps to block noise. Sembla is a German-based company specializing in sustainable building materials. Their primary focus is on developing and producing geopolymer-based concrete for masonry blocks. This innovative approach offers several advantages over traditional concrete: reduced carbon footprint. Geopolymer concrete has a significantly lower carbon footprint compared to traditional cement-based concrete. Improved strength and durability. Geopolymer-based materials often exhibit superior strength and durability. Enhanced fire resistance. Sembla's blocks offer excellent fire resistance properties. Versatility. The blocks can be used in various construction applications, including residential, commercial, and industrial buildings. BOD2 stands for Biooptical Density 2. It is a measurement used in environmental science and water quality monitoring. BOD2 measures the amount of oxygen consumed by microorganisms in a water sample over a 2-day period. This measurement is used to assess the organic matter content and the potential for pollution in water bodies. Measurement. BOD2 is measured in milligrams per liter, mg/L, of oxygen consumed. Timeframe. The measurement is taken over a 2-day incubation period. Microorganisms. The microorganisms that consume the oxygen are primarily bacteria. Organic matter. The higher the BOD2 value, the more organic matter is present in the water. Pollution indicator. High BOD2 values can indicate pollution from timber assembly is the process of joining or connecting wooden components to create larger structures. This technique has been used for centuries and remains a popular choice for construction due to its versatility, sustainability, and aesthetic appeal. There are several methods used to join timber components, each with its own advantages and disadvantages. Nails and screws. These are the most common methods. They are simple to use and can be easily removed if necessary. Bolts. Bolts provide a strong and durable connection, often used for heavy-duty structures. Joints. Joints like dovetails, mortise and tenon, and finger joints offer a more traditional and often stronger connection. Glues. Wood glues are used to bond timber components together. They can be used in conjunction with mechanical fasteners for added strength. Facadeclick is a digital marketing agency specializing in facade advertising. They offer a unique platform that connects advertisers with building owners, allowing for targeted and effective advertising campaigns on building facades. Platform for advertisers. Advertisers can easily search for suitable building facades based on location, audience demographics, and other criteria. Platform for building owners. Building owners can monetize their facade space by listing it on the platform and managing advertising campaigns. Creative services. Facadeclick provides creative to help advertisers develop eye-catching and effective facade advertisements. Campaign management. They offer comprehensive campaign management services, including measurement, targeted advertising. Advertisers can reach specific target audiences based on and demographics. Frame houses are a type of construction where a wooden framework forms the primary structure of the building, with walls, floors, and ceilings filled in with insulation and sheathing. This method is widely used due to its efficiency, versatility, and sustainability. Framework: the primary structure consists of wooden studs, joists, and rafters. Sheathing: a layer of plywood or oriented strand board, OSB, is attached to the framework for exterior and interior walls. Insulation: insulating materials like fiberglass, cellulose, or foam are added to the cavities between the studs for energy efficiency. Exterior finish: the exterior can be finished with various materials, such as siding, brick, or stucco. Interior finish: the interior can be finished with drywall. Set-Haus is a German company that specializes in modular homes. Their approach is unique in that they offer customizable, prefabricated homes that can be quickly assembled on-site. This method combines the benefits of traditional construction with the efficiency and cost-effectiveness of modular building. Customization: Set-Haus offers a high degree of customization, allowing customers to choose from various floor plans, finishes, and features. Prefabrication: the homes are built in a factory under controlled conditions, ensuring quality and efficiency. Quick assembly: the modular components are transported to the site and assembled within a short period, significantly reducing construction time. Energy efficiency: Set-Haus homes are designed to be energy efficient. Starting block: a device used in track and field events to provide a stable and consistent starting position for runners. It consists of two blocks that are placed on the track and are connected by a bar. Runners place their feet in the blocks and Startblock, a Dutch housing concept that focuses on building affordable and sustainable homes for young people. The project is based on the idea of creating small-scale, modular homes that can be easily adapted to the needs of individual residents. Startblock, a company that provides a platform for streamlining the student application process. The platform uses a proprietary algorithm to speed up the processing and turnaround time of student applications, increasing the rate of go to Startblock, a term used in various other contexts. Revonia is a company that specializes in designing and manufacturing modular concrete prefabricated homes, cellars, and sauna solutions. Based in emphasizing efficiency, durability, and sustainability, modular design, Revonia's homes are constructed from prefabricated modules, which can be quickly assembled on-site. This reduces construction time and minimizes disruptions to the surrounding area. Concrete construction: the use of concrete ensures durability, fire resistance, and energy efficiency. Concrete homes are also known for their longevity and low maintenance requirements. Of customization: Revonia offers a range of customization options, allowing customers to tailor their homes to their specific needs and preferences. Quick domes are a type of prefabricated, inflatable dome structure. They are designed to be quickly and easily assembled, making them ideal for temporary shelters, event spaces, and other applications where a flexible and portable structure is needed. Rapid assembly: quick domes can be inflated and set up within a matter of hours or even minutes. Portability: the structures are lightweight and can be easily transported and stored. Durability: they are made from durable materials that can withstand harsh weather conditions. Customization: quick domes can be customized with different sizes, colors, and accessories to suit specific needs. Cost-effective: quick domes offer a cost-effective solution for temporary structures. Flexibility: they can be easily adapted to different needs and locations. Bbloxx is a modular construction system that allows for the rapid and flexible assembly of buildings. It is designed to provide a sustainable, affordable, and customizable solution for various types of structures, including residential homes, commercial spaces, and educational facilities. Modular design. The system consists of prefabricated modules that can be easily connected to form different building configurations. Sustainability. Bbloxx uses sustainable materials and energy-efficient design principles to minimize its environmental impact. Affordability. The modular approach can help to reduce construction costs and time. Customization. The system offers a high degree of customization, allowing for unique and tailored building designs.